dream of making thick, fluffy pancakes, but they always turn out thin and dry. Let's see if we can figure out what the problem is. Four most common mistakes when making pancakes is overmixing, cooking them too hot, pressing on the cakes, and peeking underneath. We're going to start by placing the dry mix in the bowl, and then we're going to add the oil and the egg to the milk. Stir it well so that the egg is fully combined. Make a little well in the middle of your mix and pour about half of that milk into that well. We're going to stir it just enough to get it started, and then we're going to pour the rest of the milk in. Now we're going to fold this gently, trying to get all those big lumps out. The small ones are fine, but we want to make sure the big ones are out. Don't stir it again after you've finished. And we're going to set our griddle on low. Liberally spray the griddle with butter spray each time you make a new cake. Using a measuring cup, we're going to scoop the batter out of the bowl, we don't want to stir it, and pour it onto the griddle. The batter will spread. And see all those bubbles on the top? That's the pancake telling you that it's ready to be flipped. Just slide that spatula underneath quickly and flip your wrist over to flip it. Don't press or pat the cakes, but you can touch them with your finger to see if they're done. If they spring back, they probably are. Add some syrup to that. Now, don't those look nice and fluffy? The key is not to overmix and not to cook them too hot. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and y'all have a great day.